So guys, I'm going to explain you all about the question number 38, and it is like a find the largest element in the matrix. Okay, it's a matrix. So in the step 1, I'm going to explain you define the first input matrix. So in this step, you define the input matrix for which you wanted to find the largest element. The matrix in this example is 3 into 3 matrix, and come to the step 2. Max Initialize the max variable first. So max is a variable where we will store the largest element, and we initialize it with the value at the first row and first column in the matrix. And come to the step 3. So the step 3 which we are doing, in this step you use the for loop to iterate through each element of the matrix. For each element, you compare it with the current value of max. Okay, so if the element is greater than max, you update max the value of the current element. Okay, so come to the step 4. In we use console.log the largest element in the matrix. It will show the output when you run this code with the provided matrix. It will show you the output like the largest element in the matrix is 9. Okay, so that is the question number 38, guys. Let's meet in the question.